Coral reefs are like underwater cities made by millions of tiny creatures working together. Coral polyps build the structure of the reef, and tiny plants called zooxanthellae live inside them. These plants give coral reefs their beautiful colors. Many other creatures like fish, crabs, turtles, and even sharks all rely on the reef for food and shelter, making coral reefs an important ecosystem of the ocean. Today, we will be making a coral reef sculpture. For this sculpture, we are going to use air-dry clay or model magic, washable markers, and a variety of texture making tools. These can be things from around the house like a screw, a toothbrush, a popsicle stick, a straw, a pen lid, anything that would make an interesting texture. Start by breaking your clay into pieces. Use the washable markers to color the clay in different bright hues. Healthy coral reefs are very colorful, so be sure to use a variety of color. You can even mix your own colors to create your own shades. Then, with my colorful pieces, I will start sculpting coral-inspired shapes. I'm using a white piece here as a base. Using the tools, make patterns in the clay. Think about the different textures you see in coral: smooth, spiky, bumpy. Here, I'm rolling the clay into tube shapes to create an anemone. Here, I'm using a popsicle stick to smush a unique texture into the clay. Next, I used a plastic straw to create circles on the clay. For this piece, I have a wooden skewer. I rolled the clay into a ball, and now I'm adding textures by poking it. Some corals are tube-shaped, so here I rolled an oval and then used a skewer to make a hole. Then I add texture using a toothbrush. Try to make a variety of shapes and textures to make your sculpture interesting and unique. You can even look at pictures of coral to inspire you. It's fun to use different materials and find out what sort of textures they make on the clay. A screw makes stripes. When you're ready and you have some coral pieces, attach them to the base. Just like coral reefs are made up from many different creatures working together, your sculpture should have a variety of colors, shapes, and texture. Enjoy creating a mini reef of your own. Once it's just the way you like it, you can let it harden and then display.